This is page 28 and 29 of the Blue Book, The Spider Dance. Underneath it says Tarantella, pretty much a very well-known classical piece of music. Not a difficult piece. It is long. It's 2 pages, 8 lines, but there are lots of repeats, so don't be scared of the length of the song. Now we've got a new term that we need to look up here. If we look real close, it's called vivace, means. Now we need to go to page 48, the last page in the Blue Book, and look up the meaning of that word. Alright, now this song is written in, you can see 6/8 time. That means each 8th note will get 1 count. Dotted half notes will get 6 counts, so they're like a whole note, only because it's 6/8 time they don't use whole notes, because whole notes always get 4 counts. And here the dotted half note gets 6 counts. Now notice the little 8th rest between the 1st and 3rd counts. There's looks like a 7, that's an 8th rest, and between the 4th and the 6th, that's an 8th rest. Alright, so we go 1 rest, 2, 3 rest, like that. So 1 rest, 2, 3, 4 is rest, and then 6, like that. Alright, it's not a difficult song. The first 2 lines on the page 28 and the top 2 lines on page 29 are repeats of each other. So that's 2 lines that really are 4 lines. Unfortunately, there are no other repeat lines, but it's not difficult music to follow. And then when we get to the last 2 lines, if we look on page 29 on the last 2 lines, we'll notice that we're going to go 3 2 1 3 2 1 1 2 3. We're kind of like, it's kind of like going up the keyboard like we have in other songs, and it has A B C. And the 1 finger is on low C, so the 3 finger is on the A, so it goes A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. Then the right hand, notice we have the F clef on the right hand side after the G clef, and we go 1, 2, 3, and that's on the E, F sharp, G sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp. And then the next line, in the left hand, we see that now the left hand is up 8 notes higher than it was before. It's on the A, B, C again. And then we notice that the G clef is now indicated on the G clef. And we play the 1, 2, 3. It's the E, F sharp, G sharp. Alright, and then it continues up on the last line of the page. And we see that the left hand is going to play the A, B, C. Now notice the left hand is doing A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, and it's 1 octave higher each time. So it's kind of like we're just going up the piano. And then the right hand again is doing the E, F sharp, G sharp. Right there we can see that. E, F sharp, G sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp. And then the 4th finger is going to play the A, and that's above the high C. That's the A above the high C, and 2 notes down from the really high C. And then the left hand will play on it's still in the G clef, will play the C and the A. And then the right hand will cross over and go all the way down and play the A that started, there we go, the A that we started with when we started the line number 7. Alright, so it's a right hand over. Those are not difficult, just practice them slowly and you'll have no trouble at all playing this song.